Good afternoon, everyone. Here I am with my tomatoes in the garden. They are ready to be picked up, to be harvested. Yan na po sila, oh. Yan. Tomatoes. Garden tomatoes. Yan po. Yan. Yan are my garden tomatoes. That's what I call the heirloom tomatoes. Tinatawag ko rin na banana tomatoes dahil mahahaba sila. Okay. Yan po. Heirloom tomatoes. Yan po. Maraming salamat po. Bye for now.